Here is the NEO6M GPS module. It can track up to 22 satellites and identifies locations anywhere in the world. It doesn't need an internet connection or a phone signal to function properly. GPS receiver required at least 4 satellites to calculate the accurate position. The GPS satellites constantly transmit the location information in the form of radio signals. On the other hand, GPS receivers are programmed to receive the satellite signals. The multiple satellite signals are combined into a decoder, which will determine the actual position. GPS receiver module gives the location information in the form of comma-delimited text, also known as NEMA sentence. A microcontroller can break down the sentence in order to get the GPS data, like time information, latitude, longitude, number of visible satellites, altitude, and much more from the NEMA sentence. The operating voltage of the NEO6M chip is from 2.7 to 3.6 volts. The module comes with 3.3 volts LDO regulator. So you can safely connect it to an Arduino or any 5 volts microcontroller. There is an LED on the NEO6M GPS module, which indicates the status of position fix. If it blinks every second, it means the module can see enough satellites and it is ready now. If it is not blinking, it means it's searching for satellites and it is not ready. There is a small battery on the module. The battery helps to retain the clock information and the position data in the EEPROM memory. This allows much faster position locks, and the LED on the module starts blinking within a minute. But if the battery is not fully charged, then the position lock will not possible, and the LED on the module will never blink. So you just connect the power to the module, and put it on the rooftop. Sometimes, you could have to wait for 6 to 7 hours to get a GPS fix. You must have connected the antenna to the module, otherwise the module will not work. Next, we will connect the GPS module to Arduino. Connect the VCC pin to the 5 volts pin of Arduino. RX pin will goes to Arduino pin 3. And connect the TX pin to Arduino pin 2. Next, connect the ground pin to ground. Next, here is the sketch file, testgps.ino. Here I have used software serial library to create a virtual serial port on the pin 2 and pin 3 of Arduino. Then below, I have set the default baud rate for NEO6M GPS module. Next, in the loop function, I am just reading data from GPS module and then displaying it on the serial monitor. Next, upload the code to Arduino Uno. And then open serial monitor. Here, select the baud rate as 115/200. Now look at the incoming data. Here the GPS data is start receiving now. The data is in the form of NEMA sentences. And to extract the data from the NEMA sentences, you can use some online NEMA sentence decoder. You just copy the following sentence starts from GPRMC. Then go to the online decoder. Paste the sentence here, then click on decode. The decoder will extract the data from the sentence. It also shows the location on the map. Next, if you want to decode the NEMA sentences using Arduino, then you will need TinyGpsPlus library. I have already installed the library. This library has an demo sketch, full example.ino. This sketch displays the GPS data in a readable format. Here just change the pin number and baud rate. Then upload the code. Here you can see the GPS data in such a nice format. You can download the code from the description. If you have any question, then comment below. See you in another video. Bye.